Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix if you are not able to get comments on your YouTube studio. Same as even if you go back to the YouTube, when you're trying to play something or you're trying to listen something, you'll not be able to get the comments, and how you can fix this up, right? So when you're having this particular issue on your YouTube, how to fix the YouTube is not able to show any comments on any videos, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So this particular problem happens because of two reasons, and the first one is all about you just have to we are having two methods, which is very important. And before that, I would like to make you notice also, make sure that your the YouTube is up to date on your Play Store. So you just have to search for YouTube, and you have to make sure this is up to date. This is a basic step which I am giving to you guys. So you have to update it to the latest version. So if it is not updated, you will be having the trouble, because for some users, when they updated, the issue was fixed, but we don't know. But I suggest you, this is not in that case. You have to follow the next two steps, which is very important. So the next two steps are very important, that you just have to go back to your YouTube. Okay, as you can see, it is getting updated, so it will take time. So you just have to open your YouTube, and right now when you open your YouTube, you have to sign in. If you are not able to sign in, you will be having this trouble. So it is very important to sign in, so that you are getting this particular icon, that is my profile icon. So you have to sign in. After signing in on YouTube, you just have to tap over here. Then you just have to tap on settings. Over here you have to tap on settings. From here you just have to tap on general, and from here you just have to scroll down. As you can see, the restricted mode is turned off. In most of the cases, this will be turned on. In some cases, so if it is turned on, you just have to turn this off, right? You just have to turn this off. Then you just have to go back, and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue or not. If it's not still working, you don't have to worry. We have one more solution. One more solution is, for that you just have to go over here in the settings. You just have to scroll down. You have to tap on apps. Now from here you just have to go over here in the apps. Now from here you just have to go to the YouTube, right? You have to find the YouTube app. Now from here, either you can search for YouTube. Okay, so I'm getting YouTube over here. I have to select this. Now from here, I have to make sure I have granted all the permissions, which is very important. And also parallelly, you just have to scroll down, and you have to select storage. And here, as you can see, we are having two options: clear data as well as clear cache. You have to clear both the data and clear cache. After clearing both the data and clear cache, make sure the permission is enabled on your YouTube from the settings. And also you have to turn off the restriction mode, and also make sure the YouTube is on the latest version. So these are the basic steps which you have to try out when you are not able to get any comments on your YouTube, or the YouTube is not showing any comments, and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.